Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best springform pans on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Nordic Ware 9-inch Springform Pan. If you have room for only one round pan in your cupboard, this is the one to choose. Not only is it good for any time you need a springform pan, but you can also use it to make round cakes of any type. The heavy design is virtually leak-free, even for regular cake batters. Virtually is the operative word. The filling and the crust of our cheesecake baked evenly, but a little water did get into the crust. Thankfully, it didn't really affect the crispness of the crust. The pan's non-stick coating performed well. The classic cheesecake we baked was easy to release and slice, and the crust did not stick to the sides and bottom of the pan at all. The non-stick surface makes for easy cleanup as well, even though it's meant for hand washing only. The no-bake cheesecake was also very easy to release. We didn't need to extend the chilling time for the recipe we used. The cheesecake held its shape nicely because of the non-stick surface, and the crust did not stick to the sides or the bottom. Number 2. Second best pick is Wilton Springform Pan Set, 3-piece. We're so glad Wilton still makes an affordable springform set that comes in 3 sizes, 8, 9, and 10 inches, making this the most practical on our list. We bought our first set when we were in high school and wanted to make a fancy cake for someone's birthday. The beauty of this particular set is that it comes with the 3 sizes you're most likely to use. They nest inside each other for easy storage, too. The cheesecakes cooked relatively evenly in all 3 pans, and the crusts browned nicely. Neither the crust nor the cake stuck to the pans, but water did leak in from the water bath. As a result, we strongly suggest wrapping the pans with aluminum foil. It was easy to remove the cheesecakes from the bottom of the pans, but a tiny bit of the crust stuck to the bottoms due to their textured surface. The no-bake cheesecakes performed similarly. They didn't stick to the sides of the pans, and only a bit of the crust stuck to the textured bottoms. The cheesecakes also firmed up in the time stated in the recipe we used, and they held their shape nicely after removing the rings. Although the manufacturer claims the pans are dishwasher safe, we never put anything with a non-stick coating in the dishwasher. While we found hand washing these pans very easy, we can see how the pans may dent or scratch after repeated use. Nesting them may cause the inside coatings of the outer pans to scratch a bit after some time. Number 3. Third best pick is Anolon Advanced 9-inch Square Springform Pan. The Anolon dessert pan is one of the few springform pans that come in a square shape. It's not a perfect square, there are rounded edges, but it's square enough for our needs. Although it's technically dishwasher safe, the manufacturer recommends hand washing the pan. But its non-stick coating made it super easy to clean, and we didn't find any dents or scratches even after a few uses. First, we tested the Anolon with a classic cheesecake. The crust browned evenly and the filling baked mostly evenly, even with slight leakage. Removing a slice from the pan was easy, and the crust did not really stick to the pan. The no-bake cheesecake, on the other hand, took longer to chill than stated in the recipe due to the size of the pan. Otherwise, the crust and filling did not stick to the sides. The dessert also held its shape when the outside was removed. It comes with a durable base that extends out with a collar for catching small drips. Some people have complained that it could be prone to considerable leakage, but the one we tested worked just fine, even with just a little leaking from the water bath. Still, you may wish to line the outside with aluminum foil just in case. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Hiware 4-inch Mini Springform Pan Set. Sometimes you don't want to have to share. In cases like these, it's best to make individual servings using mini springform pans. This Hiware set comes with 4 identical pans, perfect for making small cheesecakes, individual deep dish pizzas, small quiches, or any kind of mini desserts. It was easy to release the cheesecake we made in one of these pans. There was only a tiny bit of the crust sticking to the sides and the bottom. Water did leak into the pans, so we would recommend wrapping them with aluminum for best results. The crust and filling were baked evenly. The no-bake cheesecake also turned out fine, with the added bonus of a faster chilling time because of the pan's size. It also held its shape nicely, and the crust did not really stick to the bottom of the pan, though it may after repeated uses. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Fat Daddio's Springform Cake Pan. Designed for professional kitchens and bakeries, Fat Daddio's Springform pans come in 5 different sizes: 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 inches in diameter. Their 18-gauge anodized aluminum construction makes for a lightweight pan while standing up to both high heat and freezing temperatures. There's no coating to worry about, and it's environmentally safe. Thanks to its light aluminum construction, the pan reflects rather than absorbs the heat. This makes the pan reach baking temperatures faster and more evenly. Since the pans aren't coated and are lighter in color, it also means that the pans cool faster when removed from the oven, making it easier to control cooking and prevent overbaking. Fat Daddio's pan is safe for both your pressure cooker and air fryer. However, its wide bottom makes it difficult to fit it into regular-sized home appliances. But the Springform pan is great for citrus or tomato-based dishes since aluminum is not reactive to acids. If these pans can stand up to the wear and tear of daily use in a commercial bakery, they'll last forever in your home kitchen. We like the sturdy feel and look of this pan. It's great for really high dishes because you get a full 3-inch height inside the pan. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.